Wake up, I wake up early in the morning. Brush, I brush my teeth after waking up. Wash, I wash my face to feel fresh. Get dressed, I get dressed for school. Eat, I eat breakfast with my family. Drink, I drink a glass of milk every morning. Pack, I pack my school bag before leaving home. Walk, I walk to the bus stop. Ride, I ride the bus to school. At school. Sit, I sit at my desk. Listen, I listen to my teacher carefully. Read, I read a storybook during reading time. Write, I write my homework in my notebook. Draw, I draw pictures in art class. Paint, I paint colorful pictures. During recess. Play, I play with my friends during recess. Run, I run around the playground. Jump, I jump rope with my friends. Slide, I slide down the slide. Swing, I swing high on the swings. After school. Return, I return home from school. Change, I change into my play clothes. Help, I help my mom set the table for dinner. Cook, I help cook dinner sometimes. Eat, I eat dinner with my family. Wash, I wash the dishes after dinner. In the evening. Do, I do my homework. Watch, I watch TV for a little while. Read, I read a book before bed. Put on, I put on my pajamas. Brush, I brush my teeth before bed. Sleep, I sleep peacefully in my bed. On the weekends. Make, I make my bed neatly. Wood, I water the plants in the garden. Board games with my family.